This is a demo of how the brand strategy GPT that I've created works. What we do is you will be provided with a link. Once you click upon that, you will be saying, build a landing page for my AI productivity tool, for example. It will then ask you a few questions. There are mainly three questions. The first one it is what is the brand name? So let's say we use the brand name. Bumlinks is the brand name. Who is the target audience? The age is 25-year old freshers interested in learning AI. So let's say we want to create an opportunity where we can connect these freshers with businesses, startups, coaches, consultants, and anyone who's actually looking for any kind of AI automation. So once we do that, we say which countries. So mainly in India and third world countries. Okay. Next, what is the offer positioning? What is the price? What is the one time or the free waitlist or the recurring subscription? So let's say this is a waitlist. Now, the next one, we say what is the tone? What do we want it to feel like? Professional, chill, funny, bold, luxury basically, nerdy. So let's say I want it to be professional and witty and smart. The vision is to basically help these freshers save time save time and be more productive using AI tools. Okay, now we can add anything over here that you want, like you want this punchy and no bullshit. Okay, now once you click on the submit button, you will see that Bumlinks AI on autopilot. Automate daily tasks and learn AI in just 30 minutes a day. Skip the fluff, master AI tools to save 10 plus hours a week and become irreplaceable at work fast. Join the waitlist. AI Toolkit Vaults is one of the app. Automation sprint challenges. Ask me anything chatline. Live system hacks. Here you can add, hey, I'm the creator behind Bumlinks. I grew my following from 0 to XYZ. Put the real numbers there. Teaching real AI workflows. You can replace this with whatever you feel is very appropriate to your um achievements. But this is like a placeholder for you. And then what are the personas? Frustrated freshers, time starved interns, side hustle hunters, curious self starters. And then it also gives like these expansions of this. What you will get are basically the core benefits. You can read through all of this by stopping the video over here. And then you can see the pricing offer, which we gave waitlist. You can give any pricing offer that you feel like. I would suggest that start with the waitlist, and once it grows to let's say 25 people, then you can add other people in. And within the facts or FAQ section, the frequently asked questions, you can see all the objections that people might have. Again, you can pause the video over here, you can read through all of them. Okay, and then you can go further if you would like. You can generate the cover image for this in retro pixel style with two word with name in cover text and 3 is to 2 dimensions. Create the image now for me without any further prompting. Hopefully, yeah, perfect. It generates it. And then in just a minute, so as you can see, it created something really amazing. 30 minutes, save time and be more productive. Bumlinks, AI on autopilot. And this is exactly the kind of style that we were looking for. This is the kind of gradients and the retro style that I was aiming for. So once you have created this, what you can do is you can take this entire text, and then I will be sharing another specific GPT that I created with Pierre Hero and his content from LinkedIn. And this GPT basically summarizes everything. So let's say I press on where do I begin. So it helps you to define the ICP versus the audience, clarify buying triggers, choose your messaging versus content pillars, build the core content engine, create content with clarity and POV, install the content loop. So if I say, take this data and help me fill in the details. Okay. Now, as it says 90% there. So 90% of the work was already done. Here you will see it gets expanded perfectly. You get clarity on what you need to do, what you need to sell, how you need to sell it. It updates your previous Whop page even further. If you want, you can go back and you can copy all of this. Okay, and you can say generate these. Now you see it defines all of those different elements for you. Build the core content engine, what is your main channel, what kind of videos to post, what is the frequency, what is the hook that you need to apply mainly, what is the unique perspective that you need to add. Okay, so I hope you like this entire demo. You can start working with this, you can start building your landing pages. You can use Whop for that, you can use any other tool for that matter. It does not really change the outcome so much. Preferably if you use Whop, it is better because it's simpler to use, simpler to set up, and you can have interconnected funnels within Whop. And I hope you like this non heavily edited kind of videos, because I don't want too much fluff. I don't have the time to get like a heavy editor to create these kind of videos and bring it to you. I believe in efficiency, so I'm just recording this off the screen with Riverside and I'm bringing it to you raw. With time, we will upgrade our video quality as well, but for now, since we want to save time, this is how the quality is going to look like. I hope you liked it. Leave down in the comments if you have any kind of feedback, if you have any questions. And in the other playlist, you can see how we are using the other tools to get started and begin using all our frameworks together in harmony. This particular one talked about how to use brand strategy and create the entire brand funnel together. Okay, we have used this to actually create something where we have like custom strategy, we have Whop funnels, we have UGC automations for Whop, we create entire pieces of content within this playlist. Then we have like avatar clone videos, then many chat automations are coming up, cross automations for LinkedIn are already there in the videos, Notion project management is there in the videos. So all of this N8N automations are already embedded in the videos, and you will be getting a link in the email which will have the playlist embedded. You can just follow that, you can get onboarded, you can get started with using Whop. Whop is very simple to begin with. There are many pages that you can register, but I have created a simple funnel which I will show you in a very quick second. What I've done is, you see AI Scoop is like basically a free lifetime Whop page which ties back and upsells to different pages, like for example Fusion Prompts, which is a one-time fee, or you see over here you have Agentic Hub, which you might have entered and you might be seeing this video because you are here. Okay, so from Agentic Hub you might have gotten an upsell for Agentic Studio. So all of this setup is basically my funnels, and there are some arrows here, things are going in and out. I have created like proper mind maps on how things are working, and I can really help you set up your own business so that you have like different landing pages, and all the landing pages are funneled together in such a way that they lead to high ticket products within Whop. If you don't want to choose Whop, we can go with any other product like Tag Mango, or we can set up payments using Razorpay, and then we can set up Whop as the backend, because they offer free waitlist option as well. You don't necessarily have to charge these people, right? You can charge them from a different payment gateway, and then you can give them entry by redirecting them over here. So all of these different possibilities and capabilities are there. You have UGC models embedded within Whop. So you can look at all of this. You can look at all the AI automations that we are enabling so that you can start creating your AI avatar clone videos. You can see the next video, and in that you will see how I have used HeyGen, and I have spoken in all the different languages that are possible. It's really easy to begin with. I can help you get started. Just click on the links below, join the Agentic Hub channel, and I will reach out to you further with all the necessary details. See you inside the Whop. I will get in touch with you. Again, stay subscribed, like the video if you liked it, and if you have any questions, just drop them in the comments below.